Crude oil traded in a narrow zone, and we have seen a struggle at 64 levels, the critical resistance zone, while silver natural gas is also stayed with moderate bullishness, now struggling at 2.9. What to expect now from oil and gas with the US session? Are we looking forward to a rally here, or there is a possibility of a reversal? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading oil and gas today? We're going to see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is second update for the day, and I always release twice a day updates, first with the Asia and Europe session, next is this one with the US session. Subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we'll look into oil, followed with gas. Watch till the end. Look at oil on the hourly charts after a strong retracement. Remember, I have shared earlier this as well. 62.8 should be a very good support. What has happened? Price bounced back from 62.8. Now it is looking upwards. Now it is looking bullish. Rise, retracement, rise again. So possibly we are looking at 64.5, and in fact beyond 64.5 a stronger rally to be seen here. So what you can do, you can in fact buy at 64 itself and expect it to move towards 64.5 levels. Beyond this, more bullishness should prevail. Moving averages looking upwards, staying bullish. Stochastic, MACD, RSI all are looking upwards, supportive of a further rise. Look at the 2-hour chart, similar observation here, rise, retracement, rise again. And in fact, you can buy at 64. If you see oil above 64, you can buy, expect 64.4, 64.5 at the first target zone. And then in fact, we can look forward to a move towards 65, 65.2 and then 65.8, 66 very soon. Moving averages trying to diverge, stochastic rising here, the MACD has crossed over here. This is a supportive sign for further bullish, as after a good retracement it has crossed over and this is trading moderately bullish here. RSI is rising, which is also supportive sign for further bullishness. Coming to 3-hour chart, similar observation, rise, retracement, rise here. Once it breaches past this high, more bullishness should prevail here. And specifically beyond 64.5 is where you can expect again oil to hit the highs here. The highs here are aiming towards 66 soon. Moving averages, yes, these are started to diverge. This is a supportive sign for further bullishness here. Stochastic rising, the MACD has crossed over here. This is also trading with moderate bullishness, trying to rise here. And the RSI is rising as well. Coming to 4-hour, now on the 4-hour charts, if you look at the move here, which we have discussed so far, see after the highs prices have traded bearish, it has bottomed out here. Since the bottoming is done, we have seen a good rise all the way towards the median at 65. Now since the highs at 65, it is retraced, now trying to bounce back up again. So it is pretty important now for oil to trade beyond 64.5 zone, which will confirm its advancement possibly towards 65.8, 66 very soon. And this we have discussed several times, that once oil trades beyond 64, 64.5, you can expect more bullishness to prevail here. Right now it is not showing such a strength, but I'll just wait. Once the lower price trades beyond 64, bullishness might prevail here. If you see the stochastic, this is trying to rise. The MACD is starting to converge, wait for a crossover here. And the RSI is rising, which is a supportive sign for further bullishness. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, now see, it is important to note that after bottoming here, we have seen a good rise, then a sharp pullback has appeared. Now since the pullback, I'll just wait for it to break past yesterday's high, and then specifically remember 64.5. This is the level which oil has to break in order to confirm any kind of bullishness. Else price, I will still not say oil is bullish as long as it fails to trade above this high here, the opening of this candle. Yes, 64.5 is the level it has to break in order to confirm the reversal here. The moving averages are trading bearish here. This is a slight negative point here for oil prices. The stochastic is looking downwards, which is a bearish sign, but look at MACD. Since the crossover at the bottom, it is straight bullish looking upwards. And see, it has seen a good bottoming here, so possibly it could show you a rise from the current levels. Let's wait for today's move. Today's move is going to be critical. RSI is rising, which is a supportive sign for further bullishness. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the levels here. And before I provide you the levels, if you're willing to learn this art of trading, do not miss to join the 34th mentorship batch starting 1st of September. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. And if you're just willing to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me or Telegram for your queries. Those looking forward to a trusted partner which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So now buying trade 64 you can buy. When you see the lower price above 64 you can buy. We are very close to it. 64.25, 64.50 the next, and then 65, 65.20 the next. Beyond this, we can look forward to a move towards 66 by tomorrow itself or very soon. This is something you should keep a note of. Possibility exists here. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 63.6, but then 63.2, 62.8. It has to trade now below 62.8 in order to confirm bearishness towards 62.4 and then 61.8. I will say this bottoming at 61.8, 61.5 holds a key here, because see, it has formed a very good support at this zone. And only if it trades below this zone, you can say that oil is turning bearish. Else it is still not bearish here. Trade accordingly. Let's move to natural gas. See, nat gas is showing a struggle here. It has formed a double top at 2.94. It is important for it to trade beyond 2.9495 zone. And if it trades beyond 2.9495, we can expect 3. 3 is a critical milestone for nat gas now. What's happening after? See, it has formed a megaphone, it has reversed, and now it has come down towards the support. So now once it trades below 2.88, you can take a sell and expect it to move towards 2.85, 84 zone, which is a very crucial support. And below that 2.8, only and only if you see net gas trading below 2.8, you can say this is a breakout move, and then again we can stay short. Right now it is trading with moderate bullishness. Stochastic bearish here. The MACD has also, after a good retracement, crossed over, trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards. RSI is also trading bearish here. Coming to 2 hour charts, on the 2 hour charts, when you see simple observation, see megaphone here, double top here, trying to reverse. I'll just wait for it to trade now. In fact, you can sell at 28.95, expect 28.80, and then we can expect 28.60-50 zone, the next support zone. This is going to be a critical support below which you can expect more bearishness to follow. But when you look at the MACD, see moving averages, these have crossed over on the buy side. And this is the most important zone. Till 2.8, it has got the crucial supports available. As long as it stays about 2.8, do not treat this as bearish. Stochastic looking down, the MACD after a good retracement trying to converge, crossover for a sell. And the RSI is trading bearish as well. Look at 3 hour. On the 3 hour chart, similar observation here. Yes, a double top trying to reverse. Wait for it to trade below 2895, and then I'll say till 2.85. You have to be very, very careful with the sells. Remember, crossover is appearing in natural gas after a long time, and this crossover is appearing after a good bottoming, and hence prices can try to break out on the upside. Be watchful of this. Stochastic looking down. The MACD has retraced here as well, waiting for a crossover here. RSI is right now trading with moderate bearishness. Coming to 4 hour chart, similar observation. Remember, it is trying to give you a breakout. Just let it stay below 2.88, then 2.8685, and if that is taken, then you can say that the bears are back. However, I'll say till 2.8, do not treat natural gas as bearish. Stochastic looking down, the MACD has seen a good rise, trying to converge, crossover for a sell. It is not yet crossed over, and it has room for further rise as well. The RSI is trading with moderate bearishness. Coming to the daily, on the daily charts, very important to note that price which was trading with divergence from 20 period, it has kissed, it's trying to break out. So we have to wait for a breakout here. Now 2.95 is one such breakout level, because beyond this it might be back into the reversal path where we can see 3, 3.05, 3.15, 3.2 very, very soon. See, the more time it takes here with this zone, the stronger could be the bounce back, stronger could be the breakout. Right now you can see a double top is formed and a struggle is seen, and hence 2.9495 is going to hold the key for the day. And does at least till 2.94 is not taken, do not initiate a buy. Only buy natural gas if you see it is staying beyond 2.9. Beyond 2940, you can expect 2.98. 3 as the first target zone. Beyond 3 is where the bulls will take over 3.05, 3.15, 3.2 here. Anything is possible. These are markets, but right now it is struggling here. On the downside, you can take a sell at 28.95. When you see the higher price below 28.95, 28.8075 the first target, 28.50 the next year. And once it trades below 28.50, you can say that now the bears are back. However, 28.20 and 28 till 28 or $2.8 zone is not taken. As long as $2.8 zone is not taken, do not treat natural gas as bearish. Mark the level here. Take your trades and positions accordingly, because see, once it trades below 2.82 and 2.8 is where the bears are waiting, where you can expect a good drop here. I am not expecting this to deliver such a move here, but yes, these are markets, anything and everything is possible here. However, Let's watch out. Wait for a breakout. Specifically below 2.85 is where more bearishness to prevail. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again with the Asia and Europe session tomorrow. Do watch that update as well. Thank you.